soft and flawless skin. Is your body a church? Cause it's you that I'm worshiping. Forever a sinner, my lust for you is worsening. Give me some sugar, 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 baby. Let's kiss under the stars to your favorite song. I'm addicted to the taste you leave lingering when we're done. Honey, if it's not your sugar, I don't want none. Soft as velvet, tough as nails, you fill my mind with fairy tales of your candied lips against mine. Your love a scratch across my spine. I want you in leather, I want you in lace. I need to see pleasure on your face. You got me screaming out for God above. Is this burning lust turning into love? Give me some sugar, 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 baby. Let's kiss under the stars to your favorite song. I'm addicted to the taste you leave lingering when we're done. Honey, if it's not your sugar, I don't want none. I don't want none. I got an appetite for your love, and believe me, I'm starved. I got a soft spot for your touch. Trust me, I'm hard. If I was a devil, you would be holy fire that would burn my wretched soul with desire. You got my head spinning and my body twitching. I get close to heaven, then you switch positions. You're begging for love, I'm begging for a kiss. You got my heart feeling some kind of way about this. You're like a hurricane for a body drop. It's lust first heart, and you won by knockout. Give me some sugar, 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 baby. Let me melt inside you all night long. I'm addicted to the taste you leave lingering when we're done. Honey, if it's not your sugar,